Welcome to Perfect Press. It was October of 2012, I think, when I first read about 3D printers, and I just about fell off my chair when I read about it. It was a story of an engineer, industrial designer, and he was in love with playing music. He wanted to build a guitar, and he discovered 3D printing. It was sort of like making an etching press. I made one out of wood, and what happened then was 7 years later, Martin Schneider in Germany designed what I call the equivalent of a musical instrument through the 3D printer.